Hey, can I ask you something?
Sure. What is it?
Do you like your bedroom?
Yes, I do.
Really?
Yeah, it's small, but comfortable.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I like my bedroom too.
What does it look like?
It's very simple.
Simple is good.
I think so too.
My room is a little messy sometimes.
Only sometimes?
Okay, maybe often.
I knew it.
Hey, I try to clean it.
That's good.
So, what color is your bedroom?
The walls are light pink.
Pink?
Yes, a soft pink.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. It feels warm and peaceful.
I like calm colors too.
What color is your room?
White and gray.
Oh, very modern.
Well, I tried to make it look modern.
Does it work?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Haha.
I have too many things on my desk.
Like what?
Books, headphones, coffee cups.
Coffee cups?
Yes, empty coffee cups.
That sounds dangerous.
Why dangerous?
Because your room may start smelling bad.
Good point.
Do you have a big bed?
Not really, just a medium-sized bed.
Is it comfortable?
Very comfortable.
That's important.
Yeah, I love sleeping.
Me too.
I think everyone loves sleeping.
Drew.
Do you have many pillows?
Oh, yes.
How many?
Maybe 6.
6?
Yes.
Why do you need 6 pillows?
I don't know.
Ah,
I just like soft things.
I only have 2 pillows.
That sounds normal.
Your room sounds cozy.
Thank you.
Do you have a window in your room?
Yes, a big one.
Nice.
I love opening the window in the morning.
Fresh air feels so good.
Exactly.
I also like natural light.
My room gets a lot of sunlight.
Lucky you.
What about your room?
My window is smaller.
Do you still get sunlight?
A little.
That's okay.
I usually turn on a lamp.
Oh, do you have warm light or white light?
Warm light.
Good choice.
Warm light feels relaxing.
Yes, white light can feel too strong sometimes.
I agree.
Do you have plants in your bedroom?
One small plant.
Really?
Yeah, a little green plant near my desk.
That sounds cute.
I think plants make rooms feel alive.
Exactly.
Do you have plants too?
I have 3.
Wow,
One near the window, one on my desk, and one beside my bed.
you really love plants.
I do.
Do you talk to them?
Haha. No.
Are you sure?
Okay, sometimes.
I knew it.
I think plants make me feel calm.
That makes sense.
Do you have pictures on your wall?
Yes,
What kind of pictures?
mostly travel photos.
Oh, that's cool.
I like looking at them before sleeping.
Why?
They remind me of good memories.
That's sweet.
What about you?
I have fairy lights and small art prints.
Fancy.
Not really.
Your room sounds very pretty.
Thank you.
Do you spend a lot of time in your bedroom?
Honestly, yes.
Same here.
I study there.
I work there sometimes.
I also watch movies in my room.
Me too.
And I listen to music before sleeping.
That sounds relaxing.
It is
My room is like my safe place.
a safe place.
Yeah, a place where I can relax.
I understand that feeling.
Sometimes I just sit on my bed quietly,
Me too.
especially after a long day.
Yes,
It helps me feel peaceful.
I think bedrooms are special.
Definitely.
Even a small bedroom can feel warm and happy.
That's true.
Do you clean your room often?
Uh,
Haha, that means no.
I clean it once a week.
That's not too bad.
What about you?
I clean my room every weekend.
Wow, you're organized.
I try to be.
I want to be more organized.
You can start small.
Like what?
Maybe clean your desk first.
That sounds easy enough.
And throw away the coffee cups.
Okay, okay.
Haha.
Do you have a favorite part of your bedroom?
Yes,
What is it?
my reading corner.
Reading corner.
Yeah, I have a small chair and a lamp near the window.
That sounds amazing.
I sit there and read books at night.
I want a reading corner too.
You should make one.
Maybe I will.
What's your favorite part of your room?
Probably my bed.
Haha, of course.
My bed is perfect after a tiring day.
I understand.
Sometimes I watch videos in bed for hours.
That sounds dangerous too,
Why?
because then you sleep very late.
That's true.
Do you use your phone before sleeping?
Every night.
Me too.
Bad habit.
Very bad habit.
But it's hard to stop.
Exactly.
Do you have a mirror in your room?
Yes, a big mirror.
I only have a small one.
I use my mirror when I get ready in the morning.
Makes sense.
Do you have a closet in your room?
Yes, but it's messy.
Haha,
My clothes are everywhere.
you really need to clean your room.
I know.
I fold my clothes carefully.
I wish I could do that.
You can learn.
Maybe you can teach me.
Sure,
Thank you.
no problem.
Do you decorate your room for different seasons?
Sometimes,
Really?
in winter, I add soft blankets
That sounds cozy.
and small warm lights.
I like warm lights.
They make the room feel peaceful.
I think atmosphere is important.
Yes, atmosphere means the feeling of a place.
Good explanation.
I try to make my room feel calm.
I think you succeed.
Haha, thanks.
Do you ever change your room layout?
Sometimes,
Why?
I get bored easily.
I understand.
I move my desk or my bed.
Does it feel different after that?
Very different.
Interesting.
What about you?
I rarely change anything.
Really?
Yeah, I'm too lazy.
Haha,
But maybe I should try.
you should.
Maybe my room will feel new again.
Exactly.
Do you like a quiet bedroom?
Yes, very much.
Me too.
I like silence at night.
I sometimes play soft music.
That sounds nice.
It helps me sleep.
I usually listen to rain sounds.
Rain sounds are relaxing.
Very relaxing.
Your room sounds like a peaceful cafe.
Haha, maybe.
I think bedrooms say a lot about people.
What does your bedroom say about you?
And maybe that I'm tired all the time.
Haha,
What about yours?
maybe that I love comfort and quiet places.
I can see that.
Do you think bedrooms are important?
Definitely.
Why?
Because we spend so much time there.
True.
It should feel comfortable and safe.
I agree.
Even small changes can help.
Like adding plants or cleaning your desk.
Okay, I'd understand the message.
Haha,
I'll clean my room tonight.
really?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Okay, I will try.
That's better.
Thanks for the motivation.
Anytime.
This conversation makes me want to go home and relax.
Same here.
Maybe clean a little too.
Good idea.
And maybe buy another plant.
See, you're changing already.
Ah,
I think English learners can use many useful phrases from this conversation.
like my room feels cozy.
Or I love natural light.
My bedroom is my safe place.
I need to clean my desk.
Those are very useful.
And easy to remember.
That's important for learners.
Practice small sentences every day.
And don't be afraid of mistakes.
Exactly.
English becomes easier with practice.
Slow practice is good practice.
Thanks for talking with me today.
I had fun.
Me too.
And thank you, everyone, for listening.
We hope you learned new English expressions today.
Tell us about your bedroom in the comments.
Is it big, small, cozy, or messy?
Haha.
See you next time.
Keep practicing English every day.
Bye.
Bye.